Have you ever looked at your lips and thought, why do they feel dry no matter what I apply? If yes, you're not alone. And here's the good news. You can turn your lips from dry and chapped to soft, smooth, and plump in just 2 days, using only natural ingredients you probably already have at home. No fancy products, no expensive treatments, just real, simple care. Our lips are one of the most delicate parts of our face. Unlike the rest of our skin, they don't have oil glands, which means they dry out quickly and need extra attention. Taking proper care of them isn't just about appearance, it's about comfort and confidence too. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 simple steps to get naturally soft, healthy lips, along with a few extra tips at the end of each step that you won't want to miss. Step 1. Exfoliation. Exfoliating is the first and most important step to remove dead skin cells and help your lips absorb moisture better. You'll need 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon honey or coconut oil. Mix these into a scrub and gently massage it onto your lips in circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Why this works? Exfoliation gets rid of dry, flaky skin and reveals a fresh surface that can actually hold moisture. It also makes your lips smoother if you wear lipstick regularly. Extra tips. Add a drop of peppermint or lavender oil for a soothing effect. You can also use a soft toothbrush instead of your finger for a cleaner application and better blood flow. Step 2. Moisturizing. After exfoliating, the next step is to lock in hydration. You'll need 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon honey. Mix and apply a thick layer to your lips. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then gently wipe it off. Why this works? Coconut oil is full of fatty acids that nourish the skin, and honey is a natural humectant that pulls moisture into your lips. Together, they keep your lips soft and prevent cracking. Extra tips. Apply a thicker layer of coconut oil before bed to repair lips overnight. Look for lip balms that contain shea butter, beeswax, or cocoa butter for daily use. Step 3. Hydrating lip mask. You'll need 1 piece of fresh aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Blend these together into a smooth mask. Apply to your lips and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Why this works? Aloe vera is healing and soothing, while olive oil deeply moisturizes and reduces inflammation. Extra tips. You can use avocado or jojoba oil instead of olive oil. Use this mask once a day for the next 2 days to get optimal hydration and healing. Step 4. Sun protection. Lips are sensitive to UV rays and can easily get damaged or pigmented. Use a lip balm that contains SPF. Reapply every few hours if you're spending time outdoors. Why this works? Lips don't produce melanin like the rest of your skin, so they need sun protection to avoid dark spots, peeling, and aging signs. Extra tips. Choose broad-spectrum SPF products. If using sunscreen cream, make sure it's gentle and safe for sensitive areas. Step 5. Hydration from within. Drink enough water, at least 1 liter per day, to keep your lips hydrated from the inside out. Why this works? When you're dehydrated, your lips are one of the first areas to show it. Proper hydration helps them stay smooth and full. Extra tips. Eat water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelon. Herbal teas are also a great option, especially without caffeine. Nighttime lip care. Before bed, always remove lip makeup with a gentle cleanser. Then apply coconut oil or an overnight lip mask to repair and moisturize while you sleep. Extra tips. Switch to a silk pillowcase to reduce friction and keep lips from drying out overnight. Silk is also good for your hair and face. Habits to avoid. Don't lick your lips, it dries them out faster. Avoid picking or biting them. Skip products with menthol, camphor, or synthetic fragrances. Don't share lip products to avoid bacteria and infection. Avoid smoking. It causes discoloration, dryness, and long-term damage. That's it. Simple, natural, and effective. If you follow these steps, you'll notice a real difference in just 2 days. Soft, smooth, and healthy lips without spending anything. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips like this. Leave a comment if you have a favorite lip care trick, or let me know which part you're trying first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.